As you said, I'm using the quick installation tool here, which this is great because this allows you to make sure that your power supply is in working condition. You plug this in, you plug in the power cable, plug the power cable into the wall, and you turn it on. And as you see, the fan is on. One thing I love about it, it's quiet. It's not loud. It's not as bulky as the other ones, and it's great. So that's another thing. I'm glad I went ahead on and did this quick test right quick to make sure everything is good. So other than that, this is great. So y'all can go ahead and see. The company is good. The company is great. You can't go wrong with it. This is a nice, good company. Awesome.